dates. 21st of October 2021, we have Mechelininkatu, Mechelininkatu. 27 seconds bigger in Helsinki and Finland. We will also go to Stekisei. Hopefully it's the same color. This button is weird. Best is 3 version 2 grams. Very beautiful cabin with Kone logo on it also. It was built in 1928. Turned 90 years old in 2018 and modernized in 2002, and Mercedes will be 20 years old in next year, 2022. The number is H846 with 7 floors. It's going to be expected in 2023. Let's ride it. Another beautiful one.
Yeah.
Also on the building outside it says Anno Domini 1928. No, it's not this one, but close.
Yeah.
But in a neighboring building. But that one was more like Helsinki Technical Engineering, so I was there, but we don't need it again.
Yeah. Inspekteeri parkkivaiheessa, kun meidän temppaikka on.
Yeah. No, for some reason that doorknob is...
Sitten käänset kolle.
I like the sounds in here. It was very cozy. Lovely sounds in here. That's it, and thank you very much for watching.
That's